Hey everyone, welcome to Student Talk, where we discuss school life from a student's perspective, and I'm Seema.
And I'm Noor. Today we're going to be talking about something really important, the role of teachers.
Teachers are a big part of our lives, but have you ever thought about the actual role is? Let's break it down into points.
Great idea. So there's the first role of a teacher educating students. Their main job is to teach us different subjects like math, science, and history. Without them, we wouldn't learn the important things that we need for the future.
Another role is motivating students. Sometimes school is tough and feel like giving up, but teachers are here to encourage us to do our best and never stop.
Oh, I love that one. And along with motivation, teachers also have to guide and support students. They don't just teach us subjects, they help us with our problems and even help us with things outside of school, like dealing with stress and making decisions.
That's so true. And another role is setting rules and discipline. Okay, I know we always don't like rules, but without them, the class would be chaotic and no one would learn anything.
That's a great point. So to sum it up, teachers motivate, educate us, guide and support us, set rules and prepare us for the future.
And that's why teachers play such a big role in our lives. What do you guys think? Let us know on your thoughts.
That's it for today's episode of Student Talk. Thanks for listening.
See you next time.